Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to air fry some chicken wings in my Ninja Foodi extra large grill. I haven't used my air fryer in so long because the extra large grill, it air fries just as good as a regular air fryer. It also grills, and it's large. So I've already rinsed off my chicken and cut it into pieces, and I got it in this colander so the excess water can drip. Because you want the chicken to be as dry as possible. Got it in the colander, so I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to lower this and show y'all what I do. Okay. Well, the chicken is in the colander. I have a paper towel blotting the chicken. Soften up the water that's in the bottom of this bowl. And I'm going to dump the wings in here. Okay. I'm gonna, everybody knows I use yellow mustard to season my chicken with. So, I'm using just regular yellow mustard. You're not gonna taste the mustard. It's gonna help tenderize. I put this on ribs, I put it on fish, I put it on everything. So it helps to tenderize because it has vinegar in it. It has turmeric in it, and that's good for you. It helps the seasoning stick. It's going to do 3 large dollops. Okay. Put my mustard up. Now I'm going to lower this a little. Okay, let me turn this grill on. I'm going to plug it in. Make sure there's nothing in here. This is the fry basket. Looks like that. Here's the other thing that fits inside of it. I'm going to put some foil in here. Helps with the cleanup. Putting it in here, and I'm putting the fry basket on top of it. Okay. Just a minute. Okay, Walter's holding the baby, so I have to go hand him the phone. Okay. I'm going to turn on my grill. Turn it on. Put it on air crisp. That means air fry. Turn for 400 degrees, 22 minutes. And start. So right now it's preheating. So I'm going to let it preheat while I season the wings. I'm going to use some smoked paprika. Smoked paprika tastes different than regular paprika. I never knew there was a difference until I bought some and tried it. These are going to be naked wings. I'm going to use some poultry seasoning, the Southern blend. Oh, I gotta shake this stuff up. Okay, that ain't coming out good enough, so I use the big end. This has salt in it, but I don't think it has a lot. I'm going to use some spicy smoked seasoning. I don't even know where I got this from. Maybe off of Amazon. I haven't even opened it. Looks like that. It smells smoked. Good. I'm going to put the lemon pepper in it after it's done. I don't know if it needs salt or not. Put some black pepper in here. Need to refill this. We got all different color peppercorns in here. Got the green, the white, the red. We had another color. And the black. Okay. What's this? That's it. I'm gonna put on my glove. Rubber band. So I can smush all these seasonings and the mustard to evenly distribute the seasoning. And I just heard a beep that says to add the fruit. Let me move this dish towel because I don't want it dirty. The mustard all on it. So I smush it. And I'm not cooking all these wings. This is a lot. Said I'm making naked wings. Really seasoned. And you don't have to put oil on naked wings. Yeah. Because the skin makes the oil. Now if you bread them, you have to spritz it with some oil. Okay. So we'll put these. I'm putting the flat part of the wing up because I don't plan on turning these wings. I usually don't have to flip my wings. It's okay if they're touching, because ain't no breading on them for them to stick together. There's enough wings for us. Amber might eat when she gets here. That's enough. Take this off. Show y'all how I got them in here. Uh-oh. I'm not spraying them at all. Let me take this off, it's easier. That's how they look. Okay. Close it. I had set it for 22 minutes, 400 degrees. So I'm gonna let it do what it does. And I'm gonna put all this seasoning back. Okay. Okay, y'all, my chicken has 19 seconds left, so I'm gonna stop it now. I know it's okay, it's done. Y'all hear that sizzle? You can't see it, but I'm gonna take it out and put it on here. I didn't flip it at all. Let's see what I'm doing. Yeah. And all the grease from the chicken wing skin is dripped to the foil that I put in here. So all I got to clean is this fry basket thingamajig. And if you're not sure if your chicken is done, use a meat thermometer. You should register at least 165. Get the instant read kind. Okay. Debating. Let me turn it off. Debating putting the lemon pepper on it because it might be salty enough. Unplug it. Got some vegetables cooking on the stove. Let me take this off so I can show y'all. That's my naked, highly seasoned chicken wings fixed in the air fryer. Close up. I'm gonna show y'all my vegetables just a minute. And I had some leftover vegetables from a couple days ago. I just threw them in here too. They are seasoned. Let me show y'all something I found at the grocery. I think it was yesterday. Progresso spicy chicken broth, y'all. I had to get it. Okay. Sweaty. Put it back some. Let's see. Don't you come in here, little boy. Got a couple pieces. I'm gonna taste it for y'all. That's how the front looks. That's how the back looks. I did not flip it. I'm gonna taste it and see if it needs the lemon pepper. It's hot. It's crispy. Ooh. I'm sprinkling it on there. It is blessed and highly seasoned, highly flavored. I'll be back. Okay, I sprinkled a little of this spice wallow, lemon pepper on here. They got a lot of different seasonings in here. Let me taste it. Good. Okay. I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Bon appetit. Bye.